Our Google sign-in flow is now configured on iOS, and we have seen that when we press on this Google sign-in button, then this alert shows on screen. So the first thing that we can test is that when we cancel this alert, then we abort the sign-in process, and if we open up the console and press on the cancel button, then we get this line that says platform exception, error aborted by user, and sign-in aborted by user. And if you remember, this is the error that we throw inside our auth class over here. And just to be clear, if I head over to the sign in with Google method inside the sign in page, in here we can see that we have a try and catch block. And if we wanted, we could put a breakpoint here. And if I try this once again and cancel the process, I can see that the execution stops on my breakpoint. Okay, so let's remove this breakpoint and continue with the execution. Okay, so let's tap on this button once again, and this time we're going to select continue. And what happens is that we are presented with a form that is used to sign in the user with Google. And one thing that I can point out is that at the top of this page, it says sign in to continue to Time Tracker. And Time Tracker is the public project name that we have set up when we enabled Google sign-in in our Firebase console. Okay, so this is the first of a number of screens that we need to follow in order to sign in with Google. And here we need to enter a Google email account. So for the purposes of this demonstration, I have created a new Google account. So here I'm going to type in my test Google email, and you could type in your own Google email address. And then I'm going to tap on next. And here I need to enter my password. And then I can press next. And I can see that Google has now signed me in and has taken me straight into the home page. And there are two reasons why we have landed on the home page. One is that our sign-in was successful. And two, that as a result of this, a new user has been added to the on-auth state changed stream. And because this is used in the stream builder code inside our landing page, then here we detect that the user is not null and we return the home page. So what this means is that it is now very easy to add support for additional signing methods, because here we have a stream and a stream builder that will take care of taking us to the home page every time we sign in successfully. Now, before I continue, I want to mention one thing, and that is that if you have configured additional security steps to sign in with Google, such as two-factor authentication, then these steps will be included in the sign-in flow that we have just seen. And this means that by choosing to use Google Authentication in this application, users will feel that their account is secure. Okay, so let's continue on the next video.